Hello students, you are warmly welcome to my YouTube channel Education WAMH. In this video, I am going to discuss the grade 6 maths second term test paper for the upcoming term test. So, I invite you to subscribe my channel and watch more videos. First question. Recollect the subject matter discussed during the lesson rectilinear plane figures. First one, draw two closed plane figures that you have studied. How to draw closed plane figures? We can draw a semicircle like this. Then another figure. I can draw like this. This is also a closed plane figure. Then second question, write down the corresponding letters from the following figures, which are rectilinear plane figures. What are the rectilinear plane figures here? A is a rectilinear plane figure. Second question, we can take the answer A. Then B also a rectilinear plane figure. Then C is not a rectilinear plane figure as we have a curved line here. Then D we can't take. Then E also a rectilinear plane figure. Then third question, write down two common characteristics observed in a square and a rectangle. What are the two common characteristics in a square and a rectangle? In a square and rectangle, all the angles are right angles. So, as A, we can write all the angles are right angles. Then what are the other features? The distance between the opposite sides is equal in length. The distance between the pair of opposite sides is equal. Then fourth part here, using the letters given for rectilinear plane figures in the diagram, complete the table with appropriate name for each. We are given the plane figures. We have named the plane figures from A to J. Then we have to write the appropriate name here. A. We can count the number of squares in column and in row. We have 7 rows in each. So A is a square. We can write A. A is a square. Then B. B is a rectangle. As the opposite sides are not equal, that is a rectangle. Then C. C is a triangle. No, not C. C is also a square. C is in the above figure. C is also a square. Then D. D and D, E, F. D, E, F all are triangles. D, E, F are triangles. All are triangles. Then G. G is a trapezium. G is a trapezium. Then H. H, what is the type? In H, all the sides are equal in length. So H is a rhombus. The name of the figure is rhombus. Then I and J. I is a parallelogram. Then last one, J is a triangle. Question number 2. We are given the numbers inside this triangle. Answer the following questions using the numbers in the above triangle. This triangle. So first part 1. Write the first composite number. What is the first composite number? That is 4. One is not a square, one is not a composite number or a prime number. Then 2 and 3 are prime numbers. Then the first composite number is 4. So part 1 we have to answer as 4. Then second one, write 4 even numbers. Out of these we can select any even number. 4, 6, 8, 10, 10, 12, 20. All are even numbers. 36, 24. Then 2 we have here. So you can write any of these answers. 2, 4, 6, 8 like that. Then third one, write 4 multiples of 5. 4 multiples of 5. The first multiple of 5 we have here 5. Then 10 we have. Then they are 15. No. Then 20. We can write 20. Then we have 25. Then part 4. Write 4 prime numbers. The first prime number we have 2, 3. Then we have 5. Then 7. These are the only prime numbers we have here. Then question number 5. Write 4 triangular numbers. We have 1. Then 3 is also a triangular number. Then we have 6. Then we have 10. Then 15 we don't have in this one. These are the only ones. 36 we can take. 36 is a triangular number. Then question number 6 here. Write 4 square numbers. 1 is a square number. Then 4 also a square number. Then we have 9 here. Then 16 we don't have. Then 25 and 36 also we have here. Third question, A part. Write down the shaded area as a fraction of whole figure and express it in its simplest form. How many total squares are there? We have 14 squares. So 4 are shaded. So we can write it as 4 over 16. If we simplify this, we can divide both numerator and denominator by 4. 4 divided by 4 over 16 divided by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 16 divided by 4 is 4. So 1 over 4 is the simplest one here. Then part B, we are given these fractions to simplify. First one, 2 over 10 plus 3 over 10. As the two numerators are equal, two denominators are equal here, we can add the two numerators. 2 plus 3 over 10. Then the answer is 5 over 10. Then second one, 3 over 4 minus 1 over 2. Here the denominators are not equal. So we have to equal the two denominators. What is the common denominator of 2 and 4? That is 4. Because 4 is a multiple of 2. So without changing this first fraction, we can multiply this second fraction by 2. 3 over 4 minus, then both numerators and numerator and denominator should be multiplied by 2. Then we have 3 over 4 minus 2 over 4. Now the denominators are equal, so we can take it as 4. 3 minus 2. Then the answer will be 1 over 4. Third question in B part. We are given this question. 5 over 6 plus 2 over 9 minus 1 over 3. Here also the denominators are not equal. So we have to take the common denominator here. How to find the common denominator? We select the largest denominator here. Largest denominator out of 3, 6 and 9 is 9. So we are taking the multiples of 9. 9 times 1 is 9. It is not divisible by all the numbers. 9 times 2 is 18. That is divisible by all of these. So 18 is the common denominator. The first fraction should be multiplied by 3 to obtain 18 here. 5 multiplying by 3 over 6 multiplying by 3 plus, then this fraction should be multiplied by 2. 2 multiplying by 2 over 9 multiplying by 2 minus, this should be multiplied by 6 because 3 times 6 is 18. Then 1 multiplied by 6 over 3 multiplied by 6. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 over 18 plus 4 over 18 minus 6 over 18. Now we can write it like this. The common denominator is 18. Then 15 plus 4 minus 6. 15 plus 4 is 19. 19 minus 6. That is 13. 13 over 18 is the answer. Father spent 2 over 3 of his salary on food and 1 over 4 of his salary on education. Find the total amount spent on food and education as a fraction of the monthly salary. How to find that? We have to add the two fractions, 2 over 3 plus 1 over 4. As the denominators are not equal, we have to take the common denominator. That is 12. The first fraction should be multiplied by 4. 2 multiplying by 4 over 3 multiplying by 4 plus, then the second by 3. 2 multiplying by 4, that is 8. 8 over 12 plus 3 over 12. Answer is 11 over 12. Fourth question, we are given this abacus. First one, write down the number represented by the above abacus. The number here is in the row 10, the row of place value 10, we have two counters. In the row, in next row we have 1, the next one 0, and last row, that means the place value 1 over 100, we have 4 counters. So the number is 21.04. The number is 21.04. Then the second question, represent 10.23 on an abacus. We want 4 rods here, like in the earlier one. Then we have to write down the place values below each rod. Here 10, 1, 1 over 10, then 1 over 100. 10.23. We one counter here, then 0 counters, then 2 counters in this rod. Last rod we have to draw 3 counters. This is the way. Then third question. Write down the fraction 5 over 100 and 3 over 10 using decimal places. 5 over 100 can be written as 0.05. Then 3 over 10 as 0.3. Then fourth question. Fill in the blanks using one of the symbols less than, greater than or equal. The first one is given as this 0.04 and 0.40. How to do this one? As the ones places are equal here, we have to look at the first decimal values. Here 0, then here 4. So this one is the largest digit. So this decimal number is also the largest one. Then we are using this sign. Then next one, we are given this 0.5 and 0.50. In here we can put another 0. If you put any number of zeros after this digit, no, it's not gives a value. So these two numbers are equal in value. Then C part, 5.82 and 5.28. Here also the ones places are equal, so we have to look at the first decimal values. So here this digit is the largest one, then this number is the larger one here. So we have to use this sign. Find the value. We are given these two decimal numbers to add and subtract. First one is this one, 5.2. 5.2 plus 3.8. Better to write the decimal numbers one below the other. You are adding or subtracting them. The first decimal places one below the other and decimal place point one below the other, like this. So we can add now. 8 plus 2 is 10. Then we are putting a 0 here, then the decimal point. Then take 1 here. Then the answer is 9.0. Then B part, we are given this 7.5 minus 4.2. 7.5 minus 4.2. We are writing like this. 5 minus 2 is 3. Then the decimal point, 7 minus 4 is 3. The answer is this one. Question number 5, A part. First question. Express 125 millimeters in centimeters and millimeters. 125 millimeters. I can separate this one like this. 120 millimeters plus 5 millimeters. This 120 can be written as 12 centimeters. 12 centimeters, 5 millimeters is the answer. Then in second one, express 5.25 meters in centimeters. When we are converting a value of meters to centimeters, we have to multiply it by 100. So when you multiply this by 100, the decimal point goes 2 places to the right side. So the answer is 525 centimeters. Then third question. Express 3075 meters in kilometers. 3075 meters. we have to divide this by 100. So we can write as 3000 meters plus 75 meters. Then this 3000 meters can be written as 3 kilometers. Then when we converting meters into kilometers, we are dividing it by 1000. Now this is in kilometers. We can write this as a decimal number 0.075 kilometers. If you add the two numbers, 3.075 kilometers. Then in fourth question, we are given to find the value. Meters, centimeters. 10 meters, 55 centimeters plus 14 centimeters, 14 meters, 70 centimeters addition. If you add these 5, then you get 125 here. We can't keep 125 as the maximum value here is 99. So we have to take 100 centimeters to the meters side as 1 meter. So now 4 plus 1 is 5. 1 plus 1 is 2. 25 meters, 25 centimeters is the answer. Then another one, B, centimeters, millimeters. 8 centimeter, 2 millimeter, then 5 centimeter, 9 millimeter addition. Here the maximum amount is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. So here also we can't keep that. We have to take 10 millimeters to the centimeter side. Then here the addition is 14. 14 centimeters, 1 millimeters is the answer. Fifth part here, fifth question. Find the perimeter of the given triangle. To take the perimeter, we have to add the surrounding lengths. So, perimeter is equal to 5 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. That is 15 centimeters. Question number 6. First question. Write down 2 instances where milliliters is used for liquid measures in day-to-day life. What are the examples? We can take like this. When preparing a cup of tea, we are using, we are measuring them by milliliters. Then question number 6. First question. Write down 2 instances where milliliters is used for liquid measure in day-to-day life. What are the examples? When feeding a child in feeding bottles, it is scaled in milliliters. Then what are the others? The medicinal syrup given to a patient, that is also measured in milliliters. So you can write an example like this. Then second question. Find the value. You are given this addition and subtraction. A part, liters, milliliters. 5 liter, 225 milliliter. 250 milliliter. Then 3 liter, 875. addition. The maximum amount you can keep in the milliliter side is 999, as 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliters. So we will do the addition. 5, then here 12, 1 is remaining, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1 is 11. You can't keep this amount here, so you have to keep remaining 125 and take 1 to the other side as 1 liter. Here the addition is 9. So this is the answer. 9 liter 125 milliliter. Then in B part, we are given this liters, milliliters, 15 liter 50 milliliter minus 13 liter 750 milliliter. We can't subtract this 750 from 50. So we have to take 1 liter from this side. Then it becomes 1050 milliliters. Here this now is 14. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. Then again 10 minus 7 is 3. 14 minus 13, 1. 1 liter 300 milliliter. Third question here. A glass contains 100 milliliter of soft drink. If there are 15 guests to be served, find the total amount of soft drink required in milliliters. 180 milliliters multiplying by 15. 15 times 0, 0. We'll multiply by each digit here. 5 times 0, 0. 5 times 8 is 40. 4 is remaining. 5 times 1, 5. Plus 4 is 9. Here, let's multiply by 1. 0, 8, then 1. Here, 0, 0, 9 plus 8 is 17. 1 is remaining. So, this is the amount in milliliters. 2700. 2700 milliliters. We are asking it in milliliters. So, this is the answer. Then, fourth question. Fourth question. Fill in the blanks. 5 liter 75 milliliters equal to 5 liter can be converted to milliliters as 5000 milliliters. 5000 plus 75 is 5075 milliliters for the A part. 5075 milliliters. Then in B part, 12,055 milliliters should be converted to liters and milliliters. This can be separated as 12,000 plus 55 milliliters. 12,000 milliliters can be written as 12 milliliters. Then 12 liter 55 milliliter. Seventh question, A part. Then first question here. How do you find the difference between the block of a solid and the net of a solid? A block of a solid, that is 3-dimensional, and a net is 2-dimensional. So that is the answer for part 1 here. Then second question, name 2 solids which have equal number of faces, edges and vertices. We know that in a cube and a cuboid, we have equal number of faces, vertices and edges. Then in third question here, third part, name a solid of which all the faces are identical squares. That is the cube. Then in B part, first question, what the shape of a face of a regular tetrahedron and draw the shape of it. That is a triangular shape. Triangular. So this is the shape. All the sides in the triangle should be equal in length. Then in second part, write down two characteristics of a regular tetrahedron. In a regular tetrahedron, we have four faces and four vertices and 6 edges.